Test, test, 1, 2, 1, 2, test, test, 1, 2. What's going on, team? We are going to be seeing how the market reacts to Facebook's earnings. I have these series of different things pulled up. So we're under the NASDAQ.com/market activity, looking at the expected earnings per share for 2022. This is going to be the reporting for Q1. The expectation for EPS, which is their earnings per share, is 2.54. Last time in their previous quarterly earnings, Facebook did announce below their EPS, and a lot of that had to do due to the investment of the metaverse. So that's when they made that big shift, and we shall see. A lot of people have been anticipating a very bad earnings for Facebook, potentially one of the worst earnings since they IPO'd. Again, this is an expectation that a lot of people have, so only time will tell. Let's go ahead and see what we got going on today. What's up, what's up? Good morning, or good afternoon, right? Here we go. All right, yo, what's up? What's going on, Bob? What's going on, Antonio? All right, let's see. Market closes in 1 minute. Let's see which way it goes. Here it goes. Now into the extended hour. Let's see. Alrighty. Of course, what's going on, Craig? What's up, what's up? What's going on, Jason? How's it going, Kim? Alrighty, so I know that they are set to have their actual conference in about 1 hour from now, but normally we do see a reaction right as we enter the aftermarket trading session. So just a little heads up on this. Looks like we're a little bit in the red, not too much, about down 0.5%. Here it goes. I'm trying to refresh this screen to see if anything pops up here on the NASDAQ side. So we still have Q1, nothing there yet. Alrighty. Okay. Looks like we're testing previous support levels. During the entire trading session, we hit lows of 169 for a very short period of time. That was when there was that supposed leak. But right now we have this like support level right around 171 to 172. I personally do think that Facebook is going to drop. I do think that they will miss their EPS, their earnings per share. But again, who am I to try to guesstimate what it is that they actually end up reporting? Oh, there it goes, a nice little uptick. Let me go ahead and refresh this. See if anything pops up here. Nope, nothing on my side. All right, we're back at almost the break even. What's going on, guys? And again, if you guys want me to continue making these live streams, all I literally ask you to do is to destroy that like button. I see that we have a handful of you tuning in live. So again, if it's not too much to ask, you smashing that like button and subscribing to the channel really does mean a lot. Can you please peek at forward earnings? Of course. Let me actually do the split screen. How about we do that? So let's do the split screen and then I'll add forward. Oh, there it goes. Facebook showing signs of an uptrend. Oh man, I'm just thinking about Facebook. I just entered it. My bad. 1 second. Here it goes. Ford not doing much as of right now. Facebook showing signs of an uptrend, up about 0.5%. Let me refresh this. Nope, nothing yet. There it goes. That's impressive. I mean, again, there's really low expectations for Facebook based off of their last quarterly earnings. So if this thing does end up exceeding expectation, this would be a step in the right direction. PayPal does report earnings today. I wouldn't be very surprised. What do you guys think? Let me see in the comment section. Do you guys think PayPal is in the green or in the red? In my opinion, I think it's in the red. What do you guys think? PayPal in the green or in the red? comment in the live chat. What do you guys think? You guys can't cheat. No looking at what it's at right now. What do you guys think? PayPal's gonna bleed red. My Facebook got hacked. LOL. Red. All right. Green. Oh, it looks like a couple people might have cheated. Let's see what we have here. Oh, PayPal still, again, not really doing much after market hours. Yeah. So not much going on there as of right now. It is in the red. It's pretty much break even. PayPal's actually not down very much on the day, but on the year, it is down an astronomical amount. Look at that. From 310 down to 82. Very unfortunate. Will Facebook tank? All right, I'm sorry, but I'm going to go back to that one screen. I just want to focus on Facebook. I want to see how it reacts. Forward pushing, let's go. All right, well, we're going back to the double screen. We have to check to see how Ford is doing. All right, Ford is up about 0.5%. See, nothing reported just yet. Yeah, nothing here. So December, I was trying to see what their revenue was. Facebook is a heart attack. Yep, there it goes. Oof. Whoa, there it is. Facebook at 180. Going back to that single. Oh my goodness. Look at that volatility. Holy smokes. Check that thing out. Let's refresh this. Did it come out? Oh, what the heck? It's not popping up on my side. If you guys see it pop up as of right now, what are we looking at? So in the green, 4% after market hours, 5%. Check that thing out. Holy, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. I am 5%, 4%. Check that out. Hit highs of 188 after market hours. Guys, if this is not, come on. This is pretty spectacular. Check this out. I'm trying to 2.72 exceeded expectation. Why is it not updating on my side? My goodness. 2.72. I know that their expectation was 2.51. There it goes. 9% after market hours. We are in the green. TQQQ after market hours is also up 2.4%. We just hit 10% on the day. If this is not a reason to destroy that like button, then I don't know what is. Holy smoke. I just saw someone saying I have 200 shares of Facebook. All right, we got Jacob Zolt with 200 shares in Facebook. You are 8.6% richer as of what you were about 2 to 3 minutes ago. Check that out. Holy smoke. This is huge. First off, am I invested in Facebook? No, but I want to be, right? There's no question that looking at Facebook based off of where it's at right now and based off of previous highs, Facebook is super cheap. Does Facebook have a lot of challenges ahead of it? 100%. One of the things that you have to know is that any reaction in the stock market tends to be an overreaction. You cannot forget about that. Even with it reporting earnings, you're going to see an overreaction. There's hype that is in place. Your job as a trader is not to hope for the perfect exit, but just to simply get out when it makes sense. But if your intention is to invest in something long-term, I think Facebook is something worth learning more about. I know I personally, although I don't fully understand it, the metaverse is something that I know I need to take time and try to understand why Facebook has invested so heavily into the metaverse and has made this complete shift. Let's go ahead and follow up with the other. So we got Ford up 1.1%. And then let's go ahead and check out PayPal. Is there any other ones that you guys would like me to check out? If you guys are tuning on in right now in the live chat and you guys want me to check on any stock that is reporting earnings, just feel free to let me know. I'm going to go ahead and check this. So we got today Facebook. We got Boeing that reported earnings before market open. We have PayPal. Spotify. This was before market open though. Let's go ahead and go down the list. So Spotify down 12%. Look at that. Spotify down 12% on the day. It's up a little bit after market hours. but it's not looking too good on the year chart. Again, something that was very, very bullish before is not performing very well as of right now. It looks like, again, during the pandemic, it peaked demand. What else? So we got PayPal, again, a strong descending pattern overall, a nice little push after market hours due to its earning. Qualcomm is up 1.2% on the day, 4.7% after market hours. Positive earnings. Ford, positive earnings. Boeing dropped 7%. This actually negatively influenced a lot of airlines. If I'm not mistaken, its overall airlines actually pulled back today. Oh no, it was just Boeing. Oh, and then we have Love. So when does Love, which is Southwest, reports earnings? Tomorrow. So this is one that I'm going to want to follow up with, up 2% on the day. Airlines have actually been doing very well based off of recent patterns. If you guys look at this on the 30-minute time frame, it went from lows of $12. I don't know if you guys, we talked about this within my Learn Plan Profit group. We talked about how airlines are probably one of the industries and sectors that got hit the hardest during COVID, and they have not recovered at all. It hit lows of $12.45 and now showing signs of a recovery. It hit highs of $21.52, or what was that? $21.83. My apologies. I don't know where I got that. I was looking at something else. But here it goes. Facebook up 9% on the day. Not too shabby. Congratulations to all of you guys. What this means to me is asking the question, is Facebook something that I'm invested in right now? No, I was waiting till after it reported earnings. And some of you guys might say, well, Ricky, what about now? We know that Facebook is up, right? Is now the time to invest? One of the things, again, this is why I talked about overreaction. I would not, if your intention, and again, I try to stay as level-headed as I can. If your intention is to try to make money right now, I probably wouldn't consider Facebook. Facebook is something, as of right now, as a company that's really investing into the future, years from now. That's when they expect that return. So therefore, if you're someone that can tolerate the time that it will take for Facebook to be back at where it was, then it's going to take potentially years. I like the price of Facebook. I'm okay with investing in it. Trading it, that's a different story. Overall, based off of recent patterns, it's very bearish. I just want you to look out for yourself. It's all about intention. 11.5% on the day. TQQQ, 2.3% after market hours. Absolutely insane. Let's see. We got Pinterest. What is that? Pinterest. I appreciate you sharing that, Nicholas. Let's go ahead and follow up. 17% after market hours. Look at that. Pinterest. First off, that's amazing for Pinterest on the day, but I followed up with Pinterest before. It is very bearish. Look at this. Strong bearish pattern. It's great to see something gap up, but you need to understand. Ask yourself these difficult questions. What is your intention? If your intention is to make money right now, probably not a good investment, right? Because you can't expect it to recover when it's been so bearish. But if you're trying to go in for a potential day trade, right, with this overreaction of these earnings, then maybe a high risk, high reward type of trade is something that's up your alley. Not for me, but again, that's up to you. I love covering these things for you guys. Again, I hope that you guys enjoyed this live session. It's a lot of fun. One of the things that I actually said in today's earlier video is I was thinking of hosting a free live trading session this Friday. What do you guys think about that? I don't know. I trade live every morning, but it's exclusive to my Learn Plan Profit group. It's very similar to this. Well, normally there's not this much excitement because it's right at market open and it's normally the big tech stocks that report after market hours. But it's similar to this where I share my thought process and then I execute on some trades if direction is in my favor. I was thinking of hosting a free live trading session. It's really up to you guys. I don't know how many of you guys are even tuning on in right now. Let's go ahead and check and see. Okay, so we have a little bit under 1,000. It's up to you guys. I mean, if this video gets over 1,000 likes, I would love to host a free live trading session for you tomorrow on Friday. Friday at market open, but it's on you. I will host it. It will be for free. It will be on YouTube, but you guys need to destroy that like button. 1,000 likes is what I'm asking from you. It's up to you. So update your browser. All right. let's see what I don't know what the video is at. I'll leave it up to you guys. I'll let the people decide. If this video gets over 1,000 likes by the time that today ends, I'd be more than happy to host that free live trading session for you guys. Again, I trade live every single morning. If you don't even want to wait until Friday, friendly reminder, tomorrow, Amazon and Apple, two of the biggest companies that are publicly traded, report earnings tomorrow. It's going to be a very, very big day. If you're part of my Learn, Plan, Profit group, we're going to make sure that we talk about that and prepare. Congratulations to everyone that absolutely killed it. Facebook is up 12.8% after market hours. And I wish you guys nothing but the best. But one of the things that we always say to our Learn, Plan, Profit members to really humble them is on your green days, prepare for your red days. And on your red days, prepare for your green days. It doesn't matter how well you did today. Tomorrow always presents new challenges. And it doesn't matter how bad you did today. Tomorrow always presents new opportunities. Please understand that of the stock market. Nothing is guaranteed. Everything is earned. So I hope to see some of you guys for tomorrow's live trading session. If you're ready to join our team, again, the second link down below, you should be able to see it. You guys can refresh your screen. It says $50 off, and that's that includes Learn, Plan, Profit 2.0. So that includes everything from my live trading sessions, the A to Z video lesson library, access to the TechBuds HQ. We're possibly going to be hosting an in-person session on Monday, so please stay up to date on that. And then the private Discord chat for Learn, Plan, Profit. It's all included. It's a one-time payment, and right now, again, it's $50 off for lifetime access. So I appreciate you guys' time. I hope that it earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that